Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love, for supporting the channel. And I'm great. I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your twin flame soulmate reading for the month of March 2021. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. This is the general collective reading for the month of March 2021 for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. I hope it resonates with you. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest. Okay, let's start your reading. Gender is not specific here and I don't read reversals. Let's see what are the messages for the Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for the month of March 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius for the month of March 2021. Twin flame soulmate reading. I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Never ending story. Okay. Building blocks. Unfinished symphony, peace. One more. I got 4. I want only one. Co-create. Okay, so some kind of unfinished symphony is here, Aquarius. And here it is, you are thinking that this is the never ending stories. You are stuck in a cycle, but you have not learned the lessons. But here you are not looking that you have wings, you can fly, Aquarius. You are just sitting on this table and you're thinking that this is the never ending story. It always repeat like this, but you are not thinking that you have wings. You can use your wings and you can fly. You can use the mirror and see yourself, but you are not using the mirrors. Not even mirror, not even the wings. Here I'm having building blocks. You are creating some kind of strong foundation of some relationship here. And here I'm having 82 number. It is 10. Okay. And here I'm having 7, 3, 7, 10. There are 3 tens. You're completing some kind of cycle with someone. Here I'm having unfinished symphony or is equal to 10. So 10, 10, 10. 3 tens are here. So you're completing some kind of cycle with someone. You are getting peace here, Aquarius. And you need to co-create here. The next card is co-create. You have to use your creativity, Aquarius, your spirituality, your intuitions. Okay, spirit is saying the divine, the guidance is here for you, that use your spiritual gifts, your intuitions, your creativity. You have to work on your creativity here. Okay, usually I don't clarify these cards, but I need to clarify these cards today. Let me clear out with these angel deck. Let's see why there is never ending story. Why there is never ending story? Clarify me never ending story. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself. And see, again, High Priestess is here. You have to use your intuitions, Aquarius. Use your intuitions, and you are requiring some kind of healing here. You need to rest and rejuvenate yourself. Complete your healing. You have not complete your healing basically. Okay, so complete your healing. Why there is building blocks? Clarify building blocks. Solutions. See, solutions. You are juggling a lot here. Can you see how this Two of Pentacle is here, and this person's hand, there is a yin and yang symbol. You are trying so hard to bring a balance. Maybe you are working multiple jobs or projects, or you are juggling between multiple relationship at work once, but you are creating, you need to create a balance here. You are working on solution, and that's great, Aquarius. Here I'm having building blocks. You're making some kind of solid foundation for some kind of relationship, and you are focusing on solutions, and that's great. That's great, Aquarius, because you are focusing on the solutions here. You need to keep your temperance here also. Can you see how this is a card of temperance? You need to keep your patience, keep moving in a forward direction, keep making the solid foundation, which you are already doing it. Okay, but you have to complete your healing. You have not complete your healing. Why there is unfinished symphony? Page of Cups. Someone is coming towards you, Aquarius. Here I'm having Knight of Pentacle. In a very slow movement, who left you out in cold. Okay, Five of Pentacle is here. They left you out in cold. With them there is unfinished symphony. Maybe they approach you with a sorry here with the Page of Cup. They're coming towards you in a very slow pace. Right now you cannot see, but they are coming because there is some kind of unfinished symphony, unfinished business, unfinished karma with this person. They're coming towards you with a sorry, with the apology. Maybe they message you that I'm sorry, Aquarius, but they're coming. Yeah, right. You are the wish fulfillment for them, Aquarius. They cannot sleep at night. They're spending sleepless nights. They're going through lot of heartbreaks, past pains. They are going lot of pain. But they're coming towards you with an sorry, with the apology. Why there is peace? Clarify me, peace. Wow. Six of Wands, Ten of Cups. Happy family, happy life. You will get success, recognition, victory with this person here, Queen of Wands. This can be a fire energy, or this can be your energy here too. But someone is coming towards you to give you Ten of Cups. This is happy family, happy life. Someone wants to bring, make a happy family with you. Maybe you know this person already. You have a family dynamic with this person, but someone wants to make a peace with you. There is Six of Wands here. Success, recognition, victory, and that's why you are having peace here. Clarify me, co-create. Wow. Six of Pentacle, Four of Wands. See, this is a card of 1111. Twin flame, soulmate, marriage card. You want equal amount of give and take here. You have to co-create with this person. Can you see there is a leopard and there is owl? Both are here in this picture. So you both have to give equal amount of give and take in a relationship, because here again I'm having Two of Pentacles. 1001 was the recording reading time. Maybe one of you are giving much than the other. There was no balance in a relationship. Either you were putting a lot of efforts in the situation, or the other person were putting a lot of efforts in the situation, but there was no balance here. But now you have to give equal amount of give and take from both sides. Here there should be a balance, then only you can create this beautiful energy of Four of Wands. Okay, the time to celebrate abundance and all. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add 5 messages from Psychic Tarot. What are the messages for Aquarius? Give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Stand your ground. Your defenses are too much high, Aquarius. Some kind of truth is coming for you here. And see, it wants to show me like this. There is a spiritual union which is coming for you. This is Four of Wands. Beautiful. Someone is coming towards you with the apology, with the sorry. Any other message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Your crown chakra is activating here. And can you see 7? I need to show you. And there is solar plexus chakra. Maybe you are doing your meditation, healing, but some kind of meditation. And these meditations and healing is activating your chakras here. Crown chakra and the solar plexus chakra is activating. 1155 was the recording reading time. Okay. Let me see more. 2 more messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. What are the messages? See, Chariot. Someone is coming towards you. Someone wants to move in a forward direction. And can you see 7? There's a lot of number synchronicities which I am having. 7 and 7. They want to move in a forward direction with you, Aquarius. There is 2 messages which I am getting here. There is destiny and there is passion ignited. There is a passion ignited again in this person with you. Okay. There is 1010. 10 is a completion number. This is a world card number. This is the destiny. This is your destiny. Okay, Aquarius. Again, see 10 number. Here I'm having 10. Here 10. Okay, so some major big changes are coming for you. And here 10 is equal to 1 and 1. You ignite passion in them, Aquarius, basically. Someone wants to come towards you with a sorry. Peace is coming towards you. Okay. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from true love. See, abundance. Abundance is coming towards you, Aquarius. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me the messages. Maturity and commitment. See, again, commitment and maturity. You are becoming now more mature than before. And there is some kind of commitment which is coming for you, Aquarius. Commitment is coming towards you. There is someone who is coming towards you. Okay. And they are your twin flame soulmate. See, that was the distorted masculine. This is a distorted masculine here. Give me more messages. Wow, distorted female. You both are not balanced right now. Okay, can you see? Both has come here. Distorted masculine and the distorted feminine. You both have to work on yourself. Okay, you both have to do your healing. Bottom of the deck, I'm having forgiveness, connection, divine masculine. Wow. See, You both have connection together, Aquarius. You both have connection, but you both have to apply forgiveness here. Forgive each other, forgive yourself, forgive others also who has hurt you in some manner. Okay, give me one more message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Sexuality. You have to work on your sexuality. You have to accept yourself as you are. Okay, forgiveness is here again, and you are getting emotional freedom here. See, you both have to work on yourself, Aquarius. Commitment is coming towards you here, no doubt. Commitment is coming towards you, but you both have to work on yourself. You both have to do your healing, complete your healing. Okay, you both are now right now you both are distorted masculine and the distorted feminine. You both have to come towards your highest self. See, divine masculine and the soulmates. Okay, that's what I was telling you. Some kind of soulmate or twin flame is coming towards you. This is your divine masculine soulmate, but right now you both are distorted masculine and the distorted feminine. You both have to work on yourself. Dating card has come. Maybe right now you will date. The bubble phase will start for you. You will date each other, or you are already dating each other here. That can be a possibility. Sexual freedom. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. But change is coming for you, Aquarius. Some kind of commitment is coming for you. Let's see what are the messages from the Twin Flame Tarot deck. 1717 was the recording reading time. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading. Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading? You are being affected by the moon energies here, Aquarius. Okay, because you are not in a balanced form. You are right now unbalanced, and when you are not balanced, moon energy will affect you out. So you have to balance yourself. So moon energies is affecting here, and there is manifestation. You have the power to bring your desires to fruition. Someone is manifesting something. Either you are doing manifestation, Aquarius, or your divine masculine is doing manifestation, but someone is manifesting something. And here I'm having past life karma, current challenges related to old wound. Whatever this is, you are facing these things because this is the past life karma here, which you need to clear it out. Wow. See, bottom of the deck I'm having marriage card here. Then there is metamorphosis. See, you are in the process of transformation. Still the transformation has to complete. Okay, Aquarius, you are in a process of transformation. You have not complete your transformation. Maybe right now you will get union with your divine counterpart here. You both are getting closer to each other, but you have to balance your chakra here. Can you see chakra balancing is here, which is required for you. So complete your healing, Aquarius. You require healing. What are the messages? See, I was just saying your twin flame is not ready here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having twin flame. Twin flame, this is your twin flame, and your twin flame is not ready. This is your mirror soul. Okay, your twin flame is not ready here, but you can help them awaken. Okay, someone is dealing with the karmic partner too. Let me see one more message. One more message Forgiveness. See, again forgiveness is here again. You need to forgive yourself and forgive others too. And it also wants to come out astral experiences, time journey and meeting. Maybe in the 5D you both are meeting with each other, Aquarius. Okay, you will, maybe you meet them, but right now you need to focus on forgiveness here. Forgive anyone who hurt you out. Let's see what are the messages from Divine Energy Oracle deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Again, the same message is here. From 3 decks I'm having forgive. Forgiveness is required, Aquarius. Forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. This is the much thing which you needed here. Okay, forgive and forget, which is the message which is very much clear from all my decks. You need to forgive and forget. Forgive all. Be true to yourself. Oh, okay. You need to be true to yourself. Engage higher reasons. You have to work on your soul purpose here, Aquarius. Reach for the stars. Okay. Then there is accept disappointments gracefully. Whatever disappointments you are going through, you have to accept them gracefully. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add 1 or 2 soul. What is the life purpose you and your twin flame or soulmate is having in this life journey? What is the soul purpose Aquarius, twin flame, soulmate is having in this life journey? So the first is speaker. Okay, your life purpose involves your skills of oration. Maybe you can you are a speaker, or your twin flame or soulmate is a speaker here. Then there is children. Your life purpose involves helping, teaching and healing children. Okay, so children play an important part in your life purpose, Aquarius. So that can be your life purpose here with speaker and the children. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message. See, I just cut it out and what I got, forgiveness. I got my message. Forgiveness, Aquarius. Forgiveness is very much needed in your twin flame soulmate journey. Okay, you are now able to activate the power of love in order to release past hurts. You need to forgive. Forgive, Aquarius. Forgive. Forgiveness is required in your case. Forgive. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add one soul lesson which you need to learn. What is the soul lesson which Aquarius or their twin flame soulmate needs to learn in this life journey? Empathy. I am open to seeing both sides to a situation. That's right, you don't have to judge the situation from one side. You have to see the situation from both sides. That's the soul lesson which you have to learn. Empathy. Beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add what you need to surrender. What Aquarius needs to surrender. Give me the messages for Aquarius. What Aquarius needs to surrender. Give me the message what Aquarius needs to surrender for this reading. Surrender to your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, you need to use your intuitions. Surrender to your intuitions. Surrender to play. Take a break from overthinking a goal. Do something fun. Play is a time of recreation and rejuvenation. So you have to stop overthinking. I told you, you are thinking and contemplating a lot, so you are trapped in your own mind thoughts. So stop overthinking here, Aquarius. That's the message, which is very much clear. Let's see what are the zodiac signs which you may be dealing with. What are the signs which Aquarius are dealing with? Okay, what are the signs? What are the signs? Okay, they want to jump out actually. Okay, fine. So you can be dealing with Virgo here. They can be a Virgo here, or they can be a Libra. They can be a Gemini. They can be an Aquarius. They can be a Scorpio. They can be Aries. They can be a Capricorn. They can be a Taurus or a Cancer. Okay. So these are the signs which you may be dealing with, Aquarius. Let's see what angels wants to say. Let's see. What are the messages for Aquarius for this reading of Aquarius? What are the messages you want me to deliver for the month of March 2021 Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading? Give me the messages. See again, listen to your intuitions, Aquarius. Communicate clearly and listen to your intuitions. That's very clear message. Don't stop. They asking you that you don't have to stop, and it's up to you. It's up to you, Aquarius. You do not have to stop at all. It's up to you. Keep moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Okay, let's add one message from this deck. What is the message for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading? Marriage and poverty. See, again a marriage card is indicated. Maybe you are going to get married with your twin flame, your soulmate. You're going to receive a marriage proposal from them. And here I'm having poverty. That means you are trapped in your own mind thoughts. Okay, you're not ready to get out of from your mind thoughts here. You need to get out of from that. High honor. Six of Wands, again success, recognition, victory. Someone is dealing with a false person, deceptive person. This is your karmic relationship, which can be a wealthy man here. Okay, so this was your reading for the month of March 2021. Okay, Aquarius, sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. I hope I help you out in some manner. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.